Welcome, detectives! Today, we've got mystery cases from classrooms and homes. Listen carefully to each clue, use your brain, and see if you can solve the mysteries before the time runs out. During lunch at school, someone spilled orange juice all over the classroom floor. The teacher asked 3 kids what happened. Sam said,
I was in the art room painting.
Mia said,
I was wiping the board.
Leo said,
I was helping carry the juice bottles to the cafeteria.
The teacher thought for a moment, then said,
I know who did it.
Can you figure it out? If the juice bottles were already in the classroom, why would Leo be carrying them to the cafeteria? It was Leo. He slipped while carrying the bottles. That's why the juice spilled. Case closed. At home, Dad wanted to watch the night news, but the TV remote was missing. He asked the kids where it was. Anna said,
I never touched it. I was doing homework.
Ben said,
I used it last night, then left it on the couch.
Clara said,
I saw Anna put it on the table this morning.
Dad looked around the living room and instantly knew who was lying. Who was it? Clara claimed Anna put the remote on the table this morning, but Dad wanted it to watch the news at night. Clara is the guilty one. She gave herself away by saying something that didn't match the time of day. Clara, you got caught. At home, Mom discovered a broken glass cup in the sink. Upset, she called the children to question them. When Tom was asked, he replied,
It wasn't me. I was outside on my bike.
Lucy said,
I was baking cookies.
Mark said,
I was drinking milk, but I put the glass back safely.
Mom knew who broke it. Who do you think it was? If the glass was put back safely, how did it end up broken in the sink? It was Mark. He was the last one to use the glass, and now it's shattered in the sink. Plus, the milk carton is sitting right there, and Mark still has his milk mustache. Mark, you've been caught red-handed. Caught. A student's notebook was torn in the library. The librarian asked 3 classmates. Josh said,
I was reading comics in the corner.
Bella said,
I saw Mia flipping through notebooks.
Mia said,
I was searching for a dictionary.
but the librarian quickly discovered the liar. Who was it? Only one person mentioned the notebooks themselves. It was Bella. She accidentally mentioned notebooks when the librarian never told her what was torn. That means she already knew. Remember, every great detective needs a team. Subscribe to be part of ours. Click subscribe and let's keep investigating. It was Monday morning, and the teacher asked Lucy, Tom, and Josh to hand in their homework. But someone didn't have theirs. Lucy said,
I left mine on the teacher's desk yesterday.
Tom said,
I forgot my book at home.
Josh said,
I already gave mine to the teacher.
the teacher checked the desk, but there was nothing there. Who is lying? Homework is collected on Monday mornings. Yesterday was Sunday, and there's no school on Sundays. Lucy is lying. She didn't do her homework and made up the story. Case closed. All right, detectives, sharpen your eyes and dust off those magnifying glasses. We've got a brand new mystery. Here are 2 pictures of the same classroom. Or are they really the same? Something feels fishy. No, not the kind you fry for lunch. Your mission, detective. Spot 7 sneaky differences before time runs out. Look closely. The chalkboard, the wall, even the tiniest pencil might be hiding a clue. Ready? Here we go. Did you spot him? Or did the clues outsmart you this time? Let's reveal the answers, one by one. Great work, detectives! If you caught all 7, you've officially earned the rank of Super Sleuth Extraordinaire. Can you spot the odd one in this picture? Look carefully. Detectives, pay attention! The snow is covered in footprints. But hold on, something seems off. Do all the suspects really look like they've been walking through the snow? That's it! The boy in the blue hoodie with spotless shoes stands out. If he'd been outside, his shoes would be snowy, and he'd be wearing his head warmer like the others. Mystery solved. Great job, detectives of school and home. Which mystery was your favorite? Enjoyed watching this? Then hit the subscribe button for more fun activities every week. Till next time, bye-bye.
Are you there? It's me! But only the wind answered. She checked the hollow tree where Kitty napped. Empty. She checked the cave where Benny snored. Silent. She called at the pond where ducks splashed. Still water.